Question 1. What is the primary motivation for implementing agent orchestration in Master Claude AI and Agentic Development rather than relying on a single powerful Claude agent? Option A. To reduce the overall API call cost for Claude. Option B. To manage and coordinate multiple specialized Claude agents to achieve complex, multifaceted goals. Option C. To simplify the prompt engineering process for individual agents. Option D. To limit Claude's access to external tools and APIs. The correct answer is to manage and coordinate multiple specialized Claude agents to achieve complex, multifaceted goals. Here's the explanation. The overview states, agent orchestration is a critical concept, referring to the strategic management and coordination of multiple autonomous AI agents, specifically Claude-based agents, to collaboratively achieve complex goals. The necessity for orchestration arises when a problem is too intricate, too broad, or requires too many disparate skills for a single Claude agent to handle efficiently or effectively on its own. Question 2. Which component in an agent orchestration system is responsible for keeping track of all available Claude agents, their capabilities, and current status? Option A. The workflow engine/scheduler. Option B. The state management system. Option C. The agent registry/directory. Option D. The communication bus/protocol. The correct answer is the agent registry/directory. Here's the explanation. Section 2, Key Features/Components, defines the agent registry/directory as a central repository that keeps track of all available Claude agents within the system, their declared capabilities, expertise domains, current status, and any specific tools they are configured to use. Question 3. In an agent orchestration scenario, after a complex request is decomposed into subtasks, what is the next logical step performed by the orchestrator? Option A. Immediately generating the final output for the user. Option B. Consulting the agent registry to assign subtasks to suitable specialized Claude agents. Option C. Initiating a new A/B test for prompt optimization. Option D. Directly executing all subtasks using a single, general-purpose Claude agent. The correct answer is consulting the agent registry to assign subtasks to suitable specialized Claude agents. Here's the explanation. Section 3, How it works, details the process. First, the task decomposition module analyzes the initial request and breaks it down. Next, the orchestrator consults the agent registry to identify which specialized Claude agents are best suited for each subtask. Question 4. Why are decision-making frameworks essential for AI agents powered by Claude beyond Claude's inherent language understanding and generation capabilities? Option A. To reduce the latency of Claude's responses by pre-computing all possible outcomes. Option B. To provide Claude with inherent goal orientation, structured reasoning, and the ability to make optimal choices in complex environments. Option C. To permanently modify Claude's internal model weights for domain-specific knowledge. Option D. To enable Claude to generate more creative and abstract narratives without factual constraints. The correct answer is to provide Claude with inherent goal orientation, structured reasoning, and the ability to make optimal choices in complex environments. Here's the explanation. Raw LLMs like Claude lack inherent goal orientation and structured reasoning. Decision-making frameworks provide the necessary scaffolding for Claude agents to move beyond simple interactions towards autonomous, intelligent, and goal-aligned behavior. Question 5. In a Claude-powered agent's decision-making framework, which component is primarily responsible for assessing the desirability, feasibility, and alignment of potential actions with the agent's objectives? Option A. Option generation. Option B. Action execution. Option C. Evaluation criteria. Option D. Information gathering. The correct answer is evaluation criteria. Here's the explanation. Evaluation criteria are predefined rules or heuristics used to assess the desirability, feasibility, risk, and alignment of each generated option with the agent's goals, guiding the selection process. Question 6. What is the primary mechanism used to encode a decision-making framework, including an agent's persona, constraints, and evaluation criteria, into a Claude-powered agent? Option A. Direct modification of Claude's foundational model weights through fine-tuning. Option B. Implementing complex rule-based expert systems external to Claude. Option C. Advanced prompt engineering, including detailed system prompts and few-shot examples. Option D. Training a separate machine learning model for every decision point. The correct answer is, quote, advanced prompt engineering, including detailed system prompts and few-shot examples. Here's the explanation. Prompt engineering, particularly the crafting of detailed system prompts, is the primary mechanism for encoding the decision-making framework, defining the agent's behavior, constraints, and evaluation criteria for Claude. Question 7. What is the fundamental design principle of event-driven agents in Master Claude AI and Agentic Development? Option A. They constantly poll for changes in the environment. Option B. They operate on a predefined, fixed schedule. Option C. They react to specific occurrences or events within an environment. Option D. They require direct, synchronous API calls for every action. The correct answer is, quote, they react to specific occurrences or events within an environment. Here's the explanation. The overview states, at their core, these agents are designed to react to specific occurrences or events within an environment, rather than constantly polling for changes or operating on a predefined schedule. This reactive nature is fundamental. Question 8. Which component serves as a central communication channel that facilitates the routing of events from publishers to subscribers, thereby decoupling event producers from consumers? Option A. Event source. Option B. Event listener/subscriber. Option C. Agent logic, Claude AI. Option D. Event bus/broker. The correct answer is event bus/broker. Here's the explanation. The Key Features Component section describes Event Bus Broker, a central communication channel that facilitates the routing of events from publishers to subscribers. This decouples event producers from consumers. Question 9. After an event listener receives an event in an event-driven agent system, what is Claude AI's primary role? Option A. To directly publish new events to the event bus. Option B. To act as the orchestrator for all external tool calls. Option C. To process the event data, apply reasoning, and determine the appropriate course of action. Option D. To manage the agent's state across multiple events. The correct answer is to process the event data, apply reasoning, and determine the appropriate course of action. Here's the explanation. The How It Works section describes Step 5. Claude AI processes the input. Guided by its pre-engineered prompt, Claude analyzes the event data. It uses its natural language understanding and reasoning capabilities to interpret the event's significance, extract key information, identify patterns, or determine the necessary response. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to my channel.